Welcome. If you've ever struggled to find your files in Google Drive, sorting them by name can make a world of difference. Today, I'll show you the quickest way to reorder your files alphabetically using the Google Drive mobile app. This method works whether you're organizing work documents, school projects, or personal photos, and it's fully updated for 2025. First, open the Google Drive app on your mobile device. Once you're in, head to My Drive, or navigate to any folder where your files are stored. You'll see all your documents, spreadsheets, images, and more listed out, but they might not be in the order you want. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll find the sort icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines with up and down arrows next to them. Go ahead and tap this icon. A menu will pop up, giving you several sorting options. To reorder your files alphabetically, simply select Name from the list. Instantly, Google Drive will rearrange everything in that folder so your files appear from A to Z. If you want to reverse the order and see them from Z to A, just tap the sort icon again and toggle the order. This feature is especially handy when you're searching for a specific file, but can't remember when you last edited it. Sorting by name groups everything in a logical, easy-to-scan order, making it much faster to locate what you need. Remember, this sorting method works in any folder within Google Drive, not just in My Drive. So whether you're organizing shared folders with colleagues or keeping your personal files in check, you can always keep things neat and accessible. And that's all it takes. With just a few taps, your Google Drive files are now sorted by name, helping you stay organized and efficient every day. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.